The Flora Show, the beautiful Motoro, all the way from Fort Potro, the cleanest town in Uganda, the only town with an English name. Kambi wane na wegendo longosa ekibuga kyo bakiwane bakiranking ya naye ng'olunaku lwaleero tuli wano ku Mistil Hotel tubaddewo ne Kapresa Kamaro ayinayo concert ku Friday tugenda mba tujogerako ne Alvin Kizz. Ogamba otya mukwano?
Ndi bulungi nnyo.
Again and again. Wali ogamba ani?
Bonna naawe kennyini.
Oli semyeko zonga. Ati wali ogamba nti again.
Bawala wonanga.
Kutawanya.
I'm a lover, bro. Yeah, man.
Omukyala gyali. Owo oli musiguze. Omanyi bafulumiriza list y'abasiguze.
Yabasa hapana siri musiguze. Andi
basigula. Bamwe erinnya nti Alvin naawe ko.
Basigula ba love nigga, basigula bakazi ba love nigga. Kati zo mba love nigga so asigula ate.
Kati mwe ba love nigga mwali atyo okubanga bakazi bamwe tebaba basigula.
Just tuli bakabi, we are lovers nga omanyi. Tatuzoboka. Bo mibonji.
Okola otya okuyingiramu eyo sigundi mu kibiina ky'abalamuniga baleme kubbako wo.
Just nga omanyi. Be a gentleman, be a real man, take care of your people. Be truthful, be honest. Wabanga yawulira kyekyo ng'agenda naye si kyangu. I'm not easy. You can't, I'm irresistible.
Olimu ekyama. Naye ng'ogamba otya Alvin?
Ndi bulungi.
Legend agamba ki?
Legend production. Andudde okukolerayo naye
nali my best friend bangamba ye best friend obeera nnyo eyo ne munywamu ne mugwa ne ku kkubo bwe batwe bakugamba naye si wekiba kyaliwo just mukola music obuze ennyimba ziriwa nabulamuka nkole ekisingayo so I'm going to release an album of 7 songs gonna fulumirako video 2 very soon maso wana sombadde nkyafumba mbawe a very good and different sound era wezinanfuluma ojja tutegeera nti enfulumiza because buli wenfulumya ndwafulumya naye wenfulumya oba okimanyi nti kyakabiya. Okay, Alvin Kizz, you're a songwriter. Lwaki mwatandikawo nti ne ba songwriter nabo balina okweyimbira ennyimba zaabwe?
I was a singer before I was a songwriter. Just like a songwriting nakagwamu nti akabadi kaletayo ku ssente ate nga ndi wakabi mu kyo nenyongeramu.
Ani agamba ti oli wakabi?
Ndi wakabi, hey bro. Ndi wakabi bro.
Nze ndi sister. Ompita bro nze ndi sis. Aga sis.
Bro is the new sister. It is 2020. Girls can be called bro.
Mwaka mupya 2019. Omwaka gwakutambulira gutya?
2019 was a good year. Kubanga 2019 nakola the biggest breakthrough of my career. I had a mega hit East Africa worldwide. I represented Uganda Mukoko Studio 2019. Charlie Chinene for me, so I think tunaba kweyongerayo ku studio. Bandi balekana mutwala mutya Alvin Kizz. Bandi tutabayimbi bano kangambe abayimbi bano betusobola ranking ne tucheka nti oba best male artist abayimbi abayina ennyimbe nnyingi ennyo. Lwaki Alvin Kizz mwana muto rising star lwaki bamutute Mukoko Studio byali bikuyisa biti ebyo ebigambo? Tebyandya nakamu because ndi wakabi Mukoko Studio twalaba akabi bro.
Okay.
So what they talked about is their opinion because ero bwakabi bwabwe buyina we bukoma n'obwange buyina we bukoma. So if they had a problem with it, that's their problem. First of all, nagenda mu Mukoko Studio nga big break. Mukoko Studio yali eraga nsi who Alvin Kizz is kwa bantu bali tebamumanyi, so ekyabalimu otegeera I think lwali luzungu tebantwalanga asingayo bantwalanga must watch oyo. Yeah man.
Obadde okyanyumiza ku 2019.
Yeah, Mukoko Studio nenyambako nempaayo a platform and it changed my life. So every time my music perspective when releasing a music omulira nga ali reach anyuma nga olabira kwa again is a different sound. Era teri muntu asobola kubanga counter acting that you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alvin Kizz ne management chichi waba kigwe
lwaki
oveno nodeno kati oli nani by that
kituufu ekiriwo neeyiya
kati weeyiya
neeteramu
ki ekyakugoba mu management?
teri yangoba mu management. Teri yangoba mu management. I don't know why naye kale big management yangoba yali Can Music. I asked them what the problem was. it wasn't clear to me. And they told me it wasn't clear to me. But I understood it because maybe he got the management found a better deal in Helen.
Okay.
In which case, Ochirabat, it's evident she's doing quite well.
Yeah.
But we're still friends, there because Nakamwandi Kira Kayimba calling Yamaje, so it really implies into.
Yeah.
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 Tola bantu ndo wakabi.
Oli watabu. Kati ntandise okukkiriza nti oli watabu. Alvin Kizz 2020. Nyimba oyinawo nyimba ki?
2020. The newest is called Fighter. Fighter Winnie Mandela. Sing like Makeba. Okamanya kayimba ako. You should get it.
Okay. Ngenda ka download.
Kakabinyo. Kwe kali was per now. Na ngenda fulime nyimba nyingi badnaye. Nyimba nyingi have like 365. Na isa gala Z Westinga, so we are going to have that song Fighter on the album. Waliyo Kopa. Waliyo nyimba nyingi I can't spell, but masa ngena full my album.
Tuogere ku TNS. Alvin Kizz waliko mu TNS. Kye kyakujja mu TNS.
Safi bangayo.
Okyaliyo?
Siriyo.
Ati oli kuti. Embera bagiyita batya? Tewava mu TNS, ate okyali mu TNS, kati embera bagiyita batya?
We bampa business nkola bukozi nabo. We bampa business nga ngikola. We mbanga nina business nga bagikola. So agreement yafe in the first place yaliwo kweyamba kona enga omanye ndongo yetaga mu sente nyingi, dedication, time, strategy, bintu bingi ate ebintu ebyo sibyangu bikola on your own.
So mu bufunze bali tebakusigninze?
Yeah, I was working with them. We have our agreement. Okay. Yeah, we have an agreement we had with them, in which case that agreement still stands, but netaga management. I need management. What do you think a manager does for an artist, in your perspective?
Kumuyambako kumufulumiza nyimba, kumwambaza, kumukolera byonna, kumubukingira concerts, ebintu webiti.
Manage that. TNS doesn't do that for me.
Okay.
Yeah, and I feel like I deserve a little more. If I don't see the point of calling them my management. Yeah, so I just work with them. Bonga TNS, I work with them, but I need management. Yeah.
Kati we mwali mukola management eyo, wachite wagamba Jeff na kusigning.
Nga wenkugambye nti twalina agreement yaffe.
Agreement wachite wagamba Jeff nti omanyi mu agreement tukyusemu article bweti.
And agreement yaffe. Results mazira bezava mwavamu hit. Mwavamu hit songs as a Sheebah. Mwavamu career change totally. Nenyambuka muko nengenda muko became an African star. Yeah, I think now that was so they did everything they could for me. But then when you come back home, you really need to press. Ato pressing ennyo nga toyina munyo. Because you're supposed to invest in strategy, you're supposed to invest in buli kimu as an artist. Ate byonnambye kolera kiba kimenya bro. So, you know.
Okay. What's your relationship with Jeff?
He's my friend. Why?
Kati ongambye mikwano gyo gye gikuyamba kukola kino neki. Kati naye nga bwali mukwano gwo
naye mwali
managinga. Buzibu ki obuliwo obugana Alvin Kizz okubeera managed by Jeff Chiwa?
Actually, Jeff was just my boss. My manager was Aziz. Aziz the greatest. Aziz strategizing Iranga Ko. As one I went with Coke Studio, Aziz, you know. But then there are no more show bookings, there are no more strategies laid, there are no more, like we just went silent with each other. So I really need management. Yeah.
Goloza buzibu ki obuli mu TNS?
Sibula.
Palaso yaddukayo uno ne Chosen Blood naye yaddukayo n'ayogera ebigambo bingi gwenga Alvin Kizz yali mu TNS ng'oyina by'okolayo ebyo by'obadde okolayo buzibu ki bulowooza obuli?
Tali buzibu. Kale nze personally sirabayo buzibu because everybody have their choice to do whatever they want to do. So nze personally nze nganze I don't see a problem with, because I do everything with my like business dealings zange teziba ko muntu mulala yenna. balibo bana byabwe nange bana byange. So Chosen has his reasons. I don't know whatever reasons he had, that's his problem. And I think it worked for him for the better, so simanyi. But I find ate abantu babugira kwa sibibalabangako because for me personally tibampisa nkubi ever. It was just my decision. I felt like I need better management.
Okay.
I was like, I need someone who can really invest in the brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sheebah gambati.
Ndodo mulaba.
Ate chaliwo sigo mwandikire nyimba.
I talk to management. I don't talk to her personally.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't even have her number.
Kati mwe ba songwriter mwogera ne ba manager temwogera na bayimbi.
Yeah, because ngawo nkugambye nti manager strategizing omuyimbi naga luno luyimba lujja mukolera spana lwagenda okuza kagenda kuza ko luno agenda kukola kino. So yes, Sheebah, I'm not very close.
Abayimbi muyimba ne bannammwe ennyimba right? Tofuna ka contact nti Sheebah nja kuddamu nkukubireko engeri gwe gy'oli songwriter ate nga oyimba. Sheebah mwakola nayo oluyimba mega hit yakutwala mu Coke Studio right? Kati ongambo nti tomuwuliza toyina namba ye?
Sina namba ye. Honestly.
I'm following up on Instagram.
Wetwesanga ku show maybe.
Omwerezayo wadde ka inbox wadde ki?
I don't really see the point.
What?
Honestly, I don't see the point lwaki musindikira inbox because she's a very busy woman.
Okay.
Kati ate nange bisere bisinga, like we are not close like that kale, and it's normal people not being close like that. Ate the whole song and everything we met then while doing the song, we got connected, became mild friends. Then everything was managed by management because by then TNS used to run everything for me. We traveled in the same car to Jinja. Segede. No. I feel you can be friends with someone in Gatom Saviet number. Yeah.
Okay.
Can't you?
No.
Kati atante government Sheebah she doesn't buy her songs.
Okay.
It's like I took all the songs I've sold to my artists, to artists I've sold songs to. I talk with their managers. Be bajja bakusasula omuyimbi tomulaba nako. Okawulya bulizi nti yakayimbye. Mpozi bachali bange kati nga Chosen blood oye twatula mmotoka ne tukiriziganya nempandika kayimba because na yeye yakola nganze. Yeye iza tomanyira nesimuliko. Yeah.
Okay. Twawulidde ko nti Sheebah yavudde mu TNS.
It was a shock to me.
Okay.
Nange nabirabye bulabi, I was shocked. I didn't believe it, but I think it's growth. Wabanga ulira akuze enough as a brand. Asobola chikola because that's a bold move. Omuntu omunafu nafuta so chikola. Yeah, so I think I don't know.
You don't know?
Na Jeff ndo muliza bro. Nyonyo like buli omu. Okay, I nabula mukaunga. I have personal issues I'm doing, and also we haven't been talking with Jeff a lot because he's also a very busy man, and he's a man of very few words unless you're precisely up to the point. So we talk about business, we share information, but yeah, personally in the meeting, I think I last saw him like a few months back.
Okay. Sheebah kuva mu TNS golooza kigenda muteekawa because literally buli omu akimanyi nti Jeff a contributing kinene to the success ya Sheebah. Golooza bwava mu TNS kigenda mulekawa.
Wabanga awulira so akisobola okikola ateekayo nagezaako because buli kimu kyakugezaako. I think kati wabanga awulira agyewulira akikola. So but I really think it's instrumental that Jeff is it was part of her career, and I think she's grateful also. But I think waba asazeewo okukola ebintu bye bikusobola kusalirawo omuntu.
Okay. So 2020 Alvin Kizz plans chi zetuba twesunga ennyo.
Either more music, more entertainment. This year is going to be harder than ever. We're going to really release good music and good sound. Wali obuyimba bungi bujja, it's going to be amazing. Just basikalinga batu wagira. Also mugenda ku YouTube mu subscribing temutulumya njala.
Era ba subscribing nze era nange mbagamba balina subscribing.
Yeah, mu subscribing tufune ku sente ezo. Also video ezifuluma muzisabe ku TV muzinyumire. Yeah.
Ayina akatale ke kakonna. Ye Mara akujje wa bannange.
We have been friends with Maro for some time. And we are really good friends. We have a song with Maro actually. But I think Luja kukolebwa bulungi lugwe after his concert. I think Achimanya have the pipes. Achimanya I'm a good performer. And I'm proud to be standing on the same stage with him because this is historic. It is 10 years at Maro and I like performing on historic stages. Like all the stages I've stood on are historic. 8/8/14, 2014, August 8th was Best of Baby Cool, the first live show, Serena Hotel by a local artist. I was there. Now this is a 10 years concert. I'm here. So I feel great. I think oli atekayo lunaku nga talowoozezza ku banne. Segedde. Abata kimanyina kumanya nti olina yataddeyo so otekayo date ogenda laba nga nono ataddeyo nono nga ataddeyo ate nga mwena mu investinzeemu nga tosobola kujjayo. So I think that's the only problem.
Abamu tukiyita oba futwa abampalana oba ki nti waaki tolekera munno eyasookayo n'akola concert.
Bwe babanga bakikozesa futwa kibi tebakikola. Babanga tebakikozesa futwa I think it's coincidental but wanga bafutwa ndikirese kuba kituze emabega ng'abayimbi. Kitegedde oli we yanditadde nasanyusa abantu abangi beemenyaamenyamu ate nga oluseera bisinga abafanzi baffe be bamu so osegeye. Yeah.
Okay, Alvin Kizz YouTube
Alvin Kizz UG. Ku YouTube waliyo videos zange zonna. I'm going to be putting there more skits and more entertainment. Go subscribe, like the videos. Chichuke.
Okay. It was nice catching up with you.
Nice catching up with you.
Yakusanga ku legend wa Donimbi nti.
Actually I don't work there a lot these days. Nkola ne producer bamuyita Felix Pro. Akolera ku Acton Records. He's a very very good. He's young and very very creative. Yeah.
Okay. Kale nja kulaba around.
But do you know that I'm also mtoro?
Hati obuyiro bwakita kubaza mtoro.
Abako tankagwize mu lutoro.
Ngamba biwe. Munange batolo connection. Kati katuve wano tugende twogere bulungi olutolo secho.
Segedde. Yeah.
Kala balive nga bakuke promotions musire bulungi. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to give thumbs up to our videos. Nakadako tewera biro kateeka ko. Mubere bulungi mwiraba.